Now the next thing we are also going to check is border on empty cells. So empty cells property. If you have empty cells in your table, then you can use the empty cells property to specify whether or not their borders should be shown. Since browsers treat empty cells in different ways, if you want to explicitly show or hide borders on any empty cells, then you should use this property, which is the empty cells property. It can take one of three values, either show, hide, or inherit. When you use the show, okay, it's going to show the borders of any empty cell to indicate that it's actually empty, and the hide is also going to hide the border of any empty cell, whilst the inherit is used if you have one table nested inside another. The inherit value instructs the table cells to obey the rules of the containing table. So it's just going to inherit, okay, it's going to inherit the properties of the other table, let's say the mother table. I'm going to show you an example, and in the example you are going to see the border of the empty cell is showing and the other one it is hidden. So let me show you the codes first of all. Now this is what I'm going to show you. These two tables, one has a class of 1, okay, and the table data, which I'm going to give 1 pixel and a solid border around it, and a padding of 15 pixels. And this I'm going to show, okay, I'm going to show for table 1, and then table 2 is going to hide. So let's do this practical example and then come back to our slides. Now I have added the HTML codes, okay, of the table to show and then to hide empty cell borders. Now we move to the CSS area, and then we are going to, let me add the codes to start this particular HTML. I've just added this table to indicate how to show or hide empty cells. I'll go to my browser and I refresh. Now if you check these 2 examples I've given, 1, 2, 3, there's a 4th one. This is an empty cell, just like this, just like that, but I decided to show it so everyone will see that it is empty. But this 1, 2, 3, 4, this is not displaying the 4th cell, so this is hiding the 4th cell, whilst this is showing the 4th cell. So this is the example I wanted to explain. I hope you are getting it. This is empty, but it is showing the borders, whilst this is what empty and it's not showing at all. So there is a hidden cell here.